Rain lashes down on a desolate city street, turning it into a mirror of grey despair. Under the meager shelter of a broken cardboard box, Rusty, a small, mud-caked puppy, shivers with cold and fear. Puddles form everywhere, each reflecting the bleak, unforgiving sky above. A luxurious car speeds through the street, its tires sending a wave of dirty water crashing over the fragile puppy. Rusty huddles deeper into the shadows, the cold seeping into his bones. His sad, watery eyes reflect the harsh reality of his abandonment, a silent plea for warmth and kindness. In a pristine, manicured yard, two purebred puppies revel in a playground of luxury toys. A fluffy poodle prances with a squeaky bone, its movements a dance of pure joy and privilege. Nearby, a petite Pomeranian shakes a plush toy, its playful growls echoing in the serene air. Beyond the gleaming white fence, a shadow stirs Rusty. An outsider observes the scene with longing, his eyes, filled with a mix of envy and desire, watch the carefree antics of the pampered pair. In the pristine yard, purebred puppies halt their playful frolicking, their innocent barks taking on a teasing edge. Their playful sounds seem to mock Rusty, an unseen observer on the other side of the fence. A plush toy is nudged tauntingly close to the barrier, a beacon of desire just beyond Rusty's reach. With a swift, playful tug, the toy is snatched back, the puppy's game a cruel reminder of Rusty's isolation. The puppies revel in their carefree joy, unaware of the longing gaze fixed upon them from beyond their perfect world. In a desolate alley, Rusty's tail tucks low as he trudges away, his dejection palpable. He seeks solace and warmth, curling up beside an overflowing trash can in the alley's shadows. A soft whimper escapes him, a testament to his despair. A single tear wells in Rusty's eye, reflecting the harsh reality of his abandonment. A lone tear glistens on Rusty's fur, a silent testament to sorrow in the dim alley. The tear traces a path through the coarse hairs, each drop a world of unspoken grief. It gathers weight, reflecting the faint light before falling, lost in the shadows below. The air hangs heavy, mirroring the burden in Rusty's unseen eyes. In the distance, the rumble of thunder echoes, an ominous symphony to his despair. Each peal of thunder amplifies the somber mood, as nature itself weeps with Rusty. In the dim alley, worn-out boots halt abruptly before Rusty, a silent question in their stance. The camera slowly ascends, revealing a young woman's face, etched with compassion and concern. Her eyes, pools of warmth, reflect a deep empathy as she gazes down at the figure before her. The harsh alley light softens around her, accentuating her gentle features and kind demeanor. An unspoken offer of help hangs in the air, a fragile bridge between two worlds. In the grimy alley, a woman kneels, seemingly indifferent to the mud. She offers a tentative hand towards Rusty, her expression soft and inviting. Rusty recoils, his eyes filled with apprehension and distrust. Hesitantly, Rusty sniffs her outstretched fingers, his body tense. A fragile spark of hope ignites within Rusty's gaze, a silent plea for connection. In the alley's dim embrace, a woman's gentle hands envelop Rusty. Her soft, warm scarf becomes a haven against the world. The simple act speaks volumes, a silent promise of comfort. Rusty is wrapped in her scarf. Steam rises in ghostly tendrils, obscuring the edges of the bathroom in a hazy embrace. Murky, swirling water spirals down the drain, carrying away the grime and shadows of neglect. The tub's porcelain bottom begins to emerge from the depths, a glimmer of hope amidst the filth. Nestled in the fading murk, a small puppy cowers, its sweet, innocent eyes wide with fear. Its fur, matted and dirty, clings to its tiny frame, a testament to hardship and abandonment. Despite the dirt, a flicker of undeniable beauty shines through, promising resilience and unwavering spirit. In the warm, steamy bathroom, Rusty emerges, transformed from a matted stray to a clean, fluffy companion. Gentle hands towel dry his fur, each stroke a soothing rhythm against his skin. A tentative wag begins a subtle movement of his tail, the first sign of joy since his arrival. The wag grows stronger, each sway filled with newfound enthusiasm, a silent symphony of gratitude and relief. Sunlight streams into the warm kitchen, illuminating a full bowl of food. Rusty eagerly devours the meal, a picture of contentment in a loving home. Each bite is savored, a moment of pure joy and comfort. The kitchen is filled with a sense of peace, a haven for Rusty. In the kitchen, the air is filled with a sense of renewed hope as Rusty's face fills the frame. Gone is the sadness, replaced by a bright, infectious happiness that radiates from his eyes. His smile widens, revealing a genuine joy that lights up the entire room. Every line on his face tells a story of overcoming sorrow, now replaced with a vibrant sense of life. Rusty's transformation is complete, a beacon of positivity in the heart of the kitchen. Under the bright day, a woman strides along a sunny neighborhood sidewalk. Rusty trots happily beside her, his tail a blur of confident wags. He sports a brand new collar, a symbol of his newfound health and happiness. His joyful energy fills the air as they move together. The warm sun casts long shadows, highlighting the bond between woman and dog. The sun shines brightly on a pristine yard, its green grass perfectly manicured. A white picket fence encloses a playful scene where purebred puppies frolic without a care. Their tiny paws kick up tufts of grass as they chase each other in circles, their barks echoing in the idyllic setting. Passing by, an unspoken contrast hangs in the air between the carefree puppies and the world beyond the fence. The puppy's joyful innocence is a fleeting moment of peace in the unfolding story. In a pristine yard bathed in sunlight, purebred puppies pause, their heads cocked in unison. A moment of confusion flickers across their innocent faces as they take in their surroundings. Their bewilderment slowly morphs into a collective expression of awe. The puppy's eyes widen, reflecting a newfound sense of wonder at the world around them. They seem almost impressed by the simplicity and beauty of the yard. A silent, shared understanding passes between them as they absorb the scene. On a quiet neighborhood street, Rusty's gaze falls upon the purebred puppies. His expression isn't one of anger, but of simple, forgiving calmness. A serene moment unfolds as understanding washes over Rusty. The puppies, oblivious, play on, unaware of the quiet forgiveness they've received. On a quiet neighborhood street, a silent story of new beginnings unfolds. Rusty gazes up at his new owner, his eyes reflecting an ocean of pure, unadulterated love. The world fades away as their connection deepens, a bond forged in mutual understanding. In that single, heartfelt look, promises of loyalty and companionship are exchanged without a word. In the quiet of the living room, Rusty, a golden retriever, lies peacefully on a plush couch. Deep in slumber, his head rests gently on his owner's lap, a picture of serene companionship. The scene glows with warmth, a tableau of tranquility in the night. Each soft breath enhances the calm, a moment of undisturbed peace. In the quiet living room, a woman's hand moves gently. Her fingers sink into Rusty's soft fur, creating a moment of tender connection. Rusty responds with a soft purr, his eyes half closed in contentment. A peaceful calm settles over the room, a shared moment of affection between woman and dog. In the quiet living room, Rusty releases a contented sigh, his body sinking deeper into relaxation. His breathing evens out, a peaceful stillness settling over him. The soft light in the room accentuates the calm that has taken over Rusty. A moment of simple, serene contentment fills the space around him. Inside the softly lit living room, a woman's face glows with maternal warmth. A single tear escapes, tracing a path down her cheek, a testament to overwhelming joy. Her smile radiates pure happiness as she gazes down with adoration. The moment is suspended, a perfect tableau of love and contentment in the quiet room. The tear reflects the soft light, a tiny jewel embodying the depth of her emotion. Dust motes swirl in the tranquil air of the living room, illuminated by soft light filtering through the curtains. A palpable stillness hangs in the air, heavy with unspoken anticipation. Shadows stretch and dance, whispering secrets of the day. A woman's voice breaks the silence, soft yet resonant. Her words carry the weight of longing and relief. "You're home now, Rusty." The room seems to hold its breath, waiting for a response that will either heal or deepen the quiet tension. Sunlight paints the park in a mosaic of light and shadow, illuminating the vibrant green grass. Rusty, a golden retriever, bursts into the scene, his tongue lolling out in unrestrained joy. With a flick of my wrist, a bright red ball soars through the air, a beacon against the green. Rusty explodes into action, a golden blur of boundless energy and pure canine delight. His paws pound the earth, sending up small clouds of dust that dance in the sunlight. The air vibrates with the joyous sounds of uninhibited play, a symphony of freedom and happiness. The bedroom is bathed in a soft, gentle light, casting long shadows that dance in the quiet stillness. A woman sits upright in bed, her silhouette framed by the warm glow of a bedside lamp, deeply absorbed in the pages of her book. Her brow is furrowed in concentration, her eyes scanning each line as she loses herself in the narrative. At the foot of the bed, Rusty lies curled in a tight ball, completely lost in a peaceful, dream-filled slumber. The scene is serene, a quiet moment of intimacy and rest, where the only sounds are the soft turning of pages and the gentle rhythm of breathing. In a blurred flashback, rain-soaked city streets reflect the harsh light, a stark contrast to any present joy. Rusty is a solitary figure against the city's vastness, his form diminished and cloaked in sorrow. Each drop of rain seems to magnify his isolation, his vulnerability laid bare. The scene emphasizes the depth of Rusty's past loneliness, a shadow lingering in the present. The bleak cityscape mirrors his internal despair, a symphony of urban melancholy. The image fades, leaving only the stark memory of a despondent figure in the rain.